Okay, good afternoon. Ito po ang Soler Residences. From dito po, so doon 15 meters dito, and then papunta doon, that's 20 meters hanggang doon, tsaka yun. So dito po malapit sa tangke. Ito po yung area. Ito po yung area. Ito po yung Soler Avenue. Tsaka dito po ang 150 square meter. So 15 by 10. Ito po yung 10. Ito po ang muhon. Yan ang muhon. So pupunta doon. So ayun is 10 by 15. Yun. So that's one lot. That's 150 square meter. So hanggang dito na naman, the second lot is 10 meters dito. Ito po yung muhon. Ayan ang muhon. Okay. So papunta doon sa may park na yon. So galing dito sa muhon na yan, papunta doon is 10 meters. So 15 doon. So dalawang lote. So kung dalawang lote, that's 20 meters papunta doon sa pula. That's 20 meters. Then 15 meters galing doon na muhon papunta dito. So suma total is 150 square meter each. So 300 lahat. So yun ang mga marking. Okay, ito doon, tsaka doon. Okay, so from here papunta doon. Tapos from here na naman papunta doon. That's 20 meters papunta doon sa red na yun. So ang ito po ay sa Balboa Street, malapit sa tangke. So this is the Soler Avenue. Soler Avenue, and that's the lot. And then this is the corner ng Soler at Soler Avenue at saka Balboa Street. So ito yung Balboa Street. Balboa Street. Balboa Street. So ito naman yung Soler Avenue. 4 lanes siya. Soler Avenue. So corner Soler Avenue and corner Balboa Street. So hindi itong corner lot, hindi ito. The next one, the next two lots. So that's lot 4 and lot 6. Okay, block 36 phase 1. So yan ang markings. Okay, malapit sa tangke ng Balboa Street. Yan ang main tank, Balboa Street yan. So kami dito sa corner Balboa Soler Avenue. Okay, that's it. Para sila na initan. Tapos yan.